Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope so all of you are well and fine and enjoying all of my videos. In today's video, I am sharing with you some most amazing ideas of macrame mug rugs and coffee coasters. You will see very attractive and gorgeous designs in this video, which are mostly in square shape, rectangular shape, round shape designs are included, and you will see heart shape designs in this video as well. All of these designs are made in different color schemes and different colors of cords are used to make them, and you can see soft cotton cord is used in most of these designs, and a few of the designs are made with hard cotton cord as well. And these designs are super quick and easy to make. Most of the designs are having square knot in them, but you will also see the designs and patterns with other different knot works as well, and fringes are added on almost all of these designs, and some of the designs are made with contrasting colors of ropes as well, like this one. So if you are a lover of contrasting colors project, you can just use different contrasting colors in single coaster design as well. So make 6 pieces of these coasters together, or you can make couple rugs as well, only two of them in different color schemes. So all of these designs are very attractive, and I hope you're gonna love them all. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like them, and do not forget to subscribe if you are new to my channel to get more videos like this. So press the subscribe button, and after that press the bell icon and then all option as well, so that whenever I upload any video, you can get notifications of each and you won't miss any future update from this channel. So just stay connected and enjoy all kinds of macrame stuff ideas, crochet stuff ideas, hand knitted projects ideas, crafting related ideas, almost all types of handmade products ideas, which are related to wearable accessories of women and kids and are related to home decoration. And I hope you are interested in both of these categories, because in our daily life we use most of the wearable accessories, and home decoration products are also required. So you will find handmade products more cheap to make if you know macrame work, crochet work, or any other work. So you can just take help from these kinds of videos. Just take a screenshot of any specific design and make it by yourself at home by purchasing the card from different websites like Amazon. So thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.